In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer and arrange images in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, knowing how to effectively layer and position images can make your slides stand out and convey your message more clearly. Let's dive in and explore how you can master this skill with ease. First, open your Google Slides presentation where you'd like to work with images. If you don't have an existing presentation, you can start a new one by visiting slides.google.com and clicking on the blank slide option. Once you're in your presentation, navigate to the slide where you'd like to add and layer your images. Now, let's begin by inserting the images onto your slide. To do this, go to the menu bar at the top and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down, select Image. Here, you can choose to upload an image from your computer, search the web, or select one from your Google Drive. Once you've chosen your image, it will appear on your slide. Repeat these steps to add any additional images you want to use. With your images on the slide, the next step is to arrange them. Click on the image you want to work with first. You'll see a blue outline around it, which means it's selected. To move this image, simply click and drag it to your desired location. To resize, click on the corners of the image and drag in or out while holding the Shift key to maintain proportions. When it comes to layering, you might want one image to be on top of another. Click on the image you want to adjust, and then click Arrange in the toolbar. Here you can choose Order, which allows you options like Bring to Front, Bring Forward, Send Backward, or Send to Back. Use these options to stack your images as you desire, creating a layered effect. It's important to see how your images are aligning on the slide. To ensure precision, use the alignment guides that appear automatically when you move your image. These guides help you align objects to the center, the edges, or other elements on the slide. A final tip: if you want to rotate your image for a more dynamic feel, click on the image to select it, then hover over the rotation handle at the top. Click and drag to rotate your image to the desired angle. By applying these steps, you can create visually appealing and effective slides. Layering and arranging images in Google Slides not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes your content more engaging and memorable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different arrangements and designs until you find what works best for your presentation. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.